step-by-step guide on how you can get a void check in CIBC mobile banking app. First, we will need to open up the CIBC mobile banking app. You can download it from the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store if you don't already have it. Then you will log into your account with your credentials. Then the second step is going to accounts. Once you've logged in, you want to tap on the account you want the void check for. For example, your checking account. You will access the account details. Look for an option like Manage My Account or Account Info after selecting your account. Find and download the void check. You will scroll down until you see the option to download a void check or something with similar wording. It may be under account details or additional services. You want to tap on the option and the app will generate a void check for you. The last step is saving or sharing the void check. Once the void check is generated, you can save it as PDF on your phone or email it directly if needed. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.